Hello, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO, Leasing and Property Management in San Francisco. Today I'm at 419 Fulton Street. This is apartment number 8. As you can see, I'm walking along this bamboo courtyard. Just a lovely condominium complex. There is parking that's included or available with, there's apartment A, very nicely lit. And let's go in and enjoy this unit. Let's first take a glimpse around the corner. The tenants just moved out, so there's still a bit of cleaning still happening, but you can see the light shining. So much light is streaming through this, two-story window. And here we are, beautiful wooden floors, and then there's a loft area right here. Kitchen area. Let's first go back, and you can see got the paint already. A nice closet to hang your coats and put your shoes. And then here we have a guest bathroom. So we have a sink, mirror, and a toilet, which makes it really convenient when once we're out of COVID and everyone starts entertaining again. That's a nice feature to have for your guests and entertainment. Built-in shelving. There's a laundry right behind this door. So full washer and dryer for your use. Nice little dining room area right here. Again, lots of windows and window treatments throughout. So even that two-story window, there is blinds for that. Nice oversized refrigerator. And then Samsung appliances and stovetop, garbage disposal, and then a dishwasher. Lots of cabinet space, recessed lighting. Okay. Now, Hayes Valley is one of the more iconic areas of San Francisco. And this property is very well positioned. It is literally right around the corner from some of the most wonderful boutiques, restaurants, nightlife, and such a iconic place. And a lot of people, will come here for the weekend. The theater district is right around the corner as well. Here's the loft area. This is a very sizable, space. It's open, so you can enjoy this as an office, as a guest room, or even as an extra bedroom if you need a flex for that. And here, this would be the primary bedroom. Again, now these blinds are interesting because they are sheer. They're Hunter Douglas, which is very high-end quality blinds, but they're sheer and or can be turned into blackouts. So, I encourage when you come here, please check those out. As they're really a treat and one of those high-end features that the owner has invested for your pleasure. And here's the bathroom. So you have a closet, sink, and then a tub shower combination. Tall ceilings is very airy in this property, just wonderful. So if you're interested, please give us a call. Again, like I said, the tenant just moved out, so we're just filming this right now. And we'd love to show you the property and get you moved in. And we'd love to talk about the neighborhood and all those things. So let us know if you have any questions. We're happy to answer those or talk about the neighborhood or how close, and the garage parking, or how close this is to the freeway if you do commute. All right, thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.